Greetings, I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck we got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate it as one of you. Take what resonate, leave what does not. Let's go and get into it. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy placed whatever way it needs to be placed. All right. Let's go and get into it. It's a beautiful day outside. What y'all got going on? What's happening? Let's get into it. Ex-lover. Hmm. Hmm. What's going on with this X lover energy, you guys? What y'all got going on here? Why is this X lover energy here? What's going on with X lover? Love call. Someone expresses love, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know you have an ex lover here that wants to speak to you guys. I'm seeing love call. They want to express how they really feel. They want to send a message of love and that they're thinking about you. I don't know how y'all feel about that, you know. Um, they want to let you know. Hmm. Let's go ahead. I don't know if this person even have your number anymore. Some of you guys have changed your phone number. Or possibly even blocked this person out, but you blocking them out don't mean nothing. Especially when you have these other text apps and things like that. Star 60, star 60 something, 67, star 69, or something like that. But yeah, y'all have an ex-lover here that wants to express how they feel, some sort of message of love towards you. Whew. Clarify this ex-lover and this love call. Clarify this ex-lover and love call. What's happening? Ex-lover and love call. And the crazy thing is, before I started this reading, my son let me know when his friends peed in somebody's backyard. So y'all maybe, I don't know what that have to do with this reading or something like that. Okay, somebody must not have home training or something like that. Type of energy. The first card that came out was no. Okay, so this is not something. So well, the energy that I'm reading from is like you're not even wanting to entertain this. Absolutely not. You said no. There's an energy over here in this, like you in looking at a book. You could be watching a movie. You got your sunglasses on. I'm thinking about hater blockers. I don't know. That's what I feel like. Hater blockers. So whoever this person is may very much be some sort of hater. Possibly it's almost like an energy of possibly this person possibly doesn't like it's like they don't want you to, I don't know. It seems like they don't want you with nobody else or something like that. But again, this is almost like an energy of this person like hating on you. It's like something you just do not want to entertain. You're possibly at a very peaceful place in life. Whoever this person is, I'm seeing an energy of good times, then they ghost you. Okay. You guys are like have a good time and things like that. It's almost like an energy of love bombing. This person must be some sort of love bomber or something like that. And I'm seeing sis. I see him being nice and affectionate to other people, but not to you. I have a problem with that. So it seems like this person, masculine or feminine energy, it seems like they treat you totally different than they treat strangers. And it seems like someone else, possibly a relative or some sort of friend, sees this and they don't like it. They don't like the way they treat you and how they treat other people that are not you. That's what I'm saying here. All right, let me see. He or she a nomad, never judge a book by its cover. They secretly loaded. So it seems like whoever you are, you simplistic type of energy. You're someone that likes to be out in the nature and things like that. Um, I feel like whoever you are, you might be financially stable as well. That's what I'm seeing here. You're just someone that possibly prefer to live the mundane, if that's what you would call it. Um, Someone that would possibly would like to live off grid or something like that. That's what I'm seeing here. All right, let's go and clarify this no. What happened? Clarify no. Clarify no, please, Spirit. No. Clarify no. So the first card I seen that came out clarifying this no, there is an energy of possibly some sort of patience. There were some sort of patience here. I'm seeing energy of you guys persevering. I'm seeing you're in this energy of independence with this Nine of Pentacles card. There's an energy of independence, stability, security. Okay. Happiness. Hmm. I don't know. There is an energy of family here. I don't know if maybe you have children or something like that, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of happiness, joy, stability, security. But we got the Ten of Cups out here. It still speaks of like some sort of family. I don't know. Family could definitely be significant here. Let's go and clarify good times. Then they ghost you. Good times, then they ghost you. I'm seeing an energy of you guys being moved to calmer water. There's an energy of you healing and moving on. Okay? And the wheel turning in your favor. There's an energy of good luck, good karma here on the other side. And it seems like this person wants to hold on to you. There's an energy of possession and control, possessive energy, good time, and then they ghost you. Yeah, they coming out as the Knight of Wands. Very passionate individual, someone that moves with haste. I'm seeing energy of sexual adventure. Okay. I'm seeing energy of someone being strong or staying strong or needing to have some sort of courage. Overcome some sort of self-doubt and stay focused because it seems like with clarifying this good time and then they move on, it seems like there's someone having an ability to move forward. There's a fear of possibly some sort of new beginning. Someone is looking to repeat the same negative cycle over and over and over again. Someone is resisting the change, is what I'm seeing. See, at the bottom of the deck, I am definitely seeing the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, which is talking about repetitive, someone doing the same thing or wanting to do the same thing over and over again. And that's them coming in to communicate, is what I'm seeing. They want to keep a cycle going. Let's go and clarify. Since I see him being nice and affectionate to other people, not to you. I have a problem with that. What is that? Them being affectionate to other people. What is this about? Seeing him being affectionate to other people. What is this about, please, Spirit? Okay. I'm seeing like there was a lot of like invested time, money, energy into this person. Um, yeah, yeah, I feel like there was a lot of investment made into this person only for them to deceive you, lie, play chicks. I said play chicks, play tricks, cheating and theft. And it seems like other people started noticing it around you, possibly because it says sis. So it could be sis or bro, somebody close to you. It could even be a friend that didn't like how your person was treating you, from what they were seeing. Okay, because it seems like they were seeing things from the outside looking in. I'm seeing that there was a period of time of someone having to go through some sort of soul searching, go through some sort of self reflection, and see things exactly for what it is from a logical standpoint, not from your heart, but from your head. That there was juggling. With this Two of Pentacles is definitely seeing an energy of juggling. And the moon here, yep, secretly juggling. He's trying to close out my throat chakra. This person may have also been like losing profit or something like that. But yeah, there was a lot of illusions. There was a lot of secrets, and I'm seeing a breakup here. Yeah, as you guys continue to move forward, there's an energy of you guys succeeding, triumphing. Okay, there's energy of you guys like achieving. Somebody manifested security. You can have Earth in your chart, Sun, Moon, rising of Venus. There is an energy of manifesting some sort of security, some sort of stability, or something like that. I'm also seeing that there was some sort of toxic energy here. Whoever this person is, you could have been dealing with possibly was even the Earth sign. Strong Taurus energy, or it could be Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. And then we also have Libra, Gemini, Aquarius could definitely be significant. I'm seeing that there's an energy of somebody grieving. There's energy of loss and despair. Regret for backstabbing and betraying, becoming an enemy. The Temperance Angel is here. It took some time. It seems like patience. It took some time. Yeah. Emperor in reverse. It seems like this person abused their power. They took advantage of the love that you had for them. Yep. They had a lack of control. Whoever this person is could possibly be like an absent father or something like that. And I'm seeing someone making a choice with the Two of Wands. Yep, having to make some sort of choice or decision. And it looked like there was energy of someone being fickle, possibly feeling gullible or being gullible with whoever this person is. It's like you sacrifice yourselves unnecessarily for whoever this person is, and they didn't appreciate you. And I'm seeing energy of someone in someone in the Nine of Swords, regret, remorse, anxiety. Yeah, the devil energy out here. Yeah, it seems like there was energy of ego and secrecy and cheating and somebody walking away, moving on. There's an energy of someone moving on. Yep, towards a new beginning. I see a new beginning in romance, a new beginning in relationships after dealing with someone, or after a period of time of dealing with someone who couldn't decide on you with the Two of Swords, who was torn between two people. There was energy of divided loyalty, and you leaving this person behind, leaving them in the cold. This person could be going through hardship and bad luck. I'm seeing an energy of like poverty, state poverty, mind poverty energy, experiencing some sort of financial hardship and a closing of a cycle with this person. And on the other side, I'm seeing like there you guys have a new beginning in finances with the Ten of Pentacles. I'm seeing unexpected windfall. There's this person possibly knows something about some sort of new financial beginning you have, and this person is trying to get close to you. I'm seeing you have some having a solid foundation. There's an energy of privilege, possibly some sort of inheritance or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of riches and old money. It's an old money. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.